Historic flooding in the Midwest left contractors and Class 1 railroads scrambling to repair the devastating damage. BTE was here to help.
At any given time, we'd take calls from our sales team that needed equipment. And when they need equipment, they need equipment now. We were able to provide that need within a matter of 48 hours. Our customers know that when they need something, they need it quick, we're there to provide.
In Levasy, Missouri, flooding reached the highest level in recorded history. BTE was able to assist in the cleanup effort, from moving driftwood to digging up piles of corn stalks. BTE machines and attachments worked diligently to help the area recover.
So we received a lot of phone calls from a lot of local contractors and Class 1 railroads that needed equipment in the Kansas City area. We also not only dealt with flooding, we dealt with the tornadoes that hit Oklahoma. We sent equipment out that way for cleanup as well. We were able to help every customer that called in within 48 hours.
When we were working over in Brunswick, Missouri, there was a section of a line that was completely washed out. I mean, just blown out. There was nothing left of it. All you could really see was just water and twisted rails. They had to build a whole new railroad. They're hauling in riprap and dumping it with sidecars at the edge of the good track. Our excavator was picking up the riprap, throwing it out in front, and then a bulldozer was taking it and pushing everything out into the water. And then the excavator would take and lay down a new track panel and keep extending the track. Basically, they were building a whole new railroad 40 feet at a time.
Whether it be extreme weather emergencies or everyday railroad track maintenance, BTE is here for you.